5 years of work experience in total into customer support and business management. And I
Okay.
recently worked into healthcare industry for market research role. And
Okay.
now, I have joined Ivy to, upgrade myself for a data analyst role, to learn new
Okay.
skills. Yeah,
All
so that
right.
is
All
my
right.
primary focus. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So,
my feedback about the classes.
go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, I like, see, I'm really, you know, I'm feeling very interactive in AML classes. So
That's great.
that's interesting for me.
If we are to do your placement in Germany, our placement team will 100% recommend you that you need to have at least professional spoken German on board with you. Otherwise, it's
Yeah,
going to be very tough because that's conversational, right? And no matter how credible you are, you might be extremely well in that field. Nobody would beat you. But if you're not able to communicate your ideas properly, if you're not able to present to your boss, how are they going to hire you? How are they even going to understand what you bring, what value you bring to the table, right? That's the
okay.
whole
Yeah,
point. So I would suggest you, if you have any free time, go ahead, learn German. I mean, at this age, you don't have anything to lose.
yeah. See, yeah, I'm targeting for that. Still, I have 1 year, and if I
Correct,
invest
correct.
every day just 1 hour of time, that will
Absolutely.
bring a better result.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And see, IVIT's international job placement, how it works is for elite. We don't keep a single country as our, top thing. We obviously have two more countries as a backup, just in case, right? So
Mm.
let's just not, put Germany in mind. Research about some other countries that would be actually beneficial for you. I would suggest you UAE, Dubai City specifically, and I would suggest you UK, right? So because we have a
Okay.
lot of members in UK currently, and they're doing extremely great in IT field. So all other countries they promote non-IT, but if you specifically talk about UAE and UK, London area, any area as such, I think the role that you want to pursue would have extreme amount of scope in these particular countries. So research about Germany, UK, and UAE, Dubai. Okay. And
Sure,
that
sure.
shouldn't stop
Yeah,
you
I
from
will.
learning German because you never know where you'll end up.
Yeah, yeah.
So when